is going on, guys? Welcome back to King Fab and Off-Road. I apologize, I have the heater going over there and it's gonna be loud. I do not have a microphone, I just have the GoPro, so bear with me on that. Today we are going to be doing something a little different on the channel. If you guys follow, then you know that we do a little bit of off-road, we do Toyota stuff, we do diesel work, outdoor stuff. You know, that's my thing, that's what I like to stay in tune with. So today's a different one for you. We are going to be working on the elusive 2014 Volkswagen TDI diesel. Now this is a kind of an interesting one. There's a lot of things you can do with these cars. A lot of people do swaps with them, not particularly this year because there's emissions and stuff. Now this is actually a prototype situation where we are simply going to be tuning this, which we've already done, and actually changing the exhaust out. At this current time with these vehicles, you can't get any exhaust for them, and this particular car is not going to be on the road anymore. This is a off-road only setup, and we're going to be showing you guys getting rid of the old exhaust that's all plugged up and nasty on this thing, and we're going to be putting new exhaust on, and then seeing how it runs and stuff. And then this will be later used for a swap, so this will not be on the road. For anyone watching this saying, oh, you can't do that, I'm aware. But anyways, that's what we're doing today. It's kind of fun because it's different. Might be boring of a video, but hey, it's something new for the channel. So if you guys are interested, keep watching, stay tuned. Okay guys, as I said, I apologize for the heater. It's gonna probably make it hard for you guys to hear me. I hope it doesn't, but anyways, I'm just one-man band, so we'll have to put up with that. So what we have going on, the rundown on this car is this is a salvage car. It is not going to be on the road anymore. I am personally trying to figure out how to get these things to run without these emission systems are clogging up on them, and then they want to be in shutdown mode and make the car, you know, flash check engine lights and stuff. And so in order to do a swap with one of these newer cars, I just want to know what it's going to take. So I've been in contact with Rawtek Performance. You can look them up on the internet. They sell you said things like this to take care of what we're doing today. If you want to look into them, they can take care of you from top to bottom. It's Canadian made stuff, and yeah, it all looks okay. Some of the welds are meh, whatever, but to not have to make it yourself and to get it all hopefully set in there with no issues, looks like a pretty good kit. It also comes with this, and that's going to take care of the other things with it. You probably can't see it, this filter up here, all of that's getting replaced, and it's way up in there. There's no good way to get it in or out, so we're gonna have fun doing that. But we'll get it all out there and see what comes of it. And that exhaust that I have is gonna come to either, I think it's gonna come to this clamp here, maybe to here, I'm not sure. We'll find out. I think it was after the cat. So anyways, stay with me guys and we'll see how this all fits in there. All right guys, got all the nasty exhaust out of there. If you can see that, I'm trying to focus it in. Got all that out. It's sitting over here. This is what was bad on this car. This is what's going to be going in. We're going to start seeing how everything fits. If anyone is doing this, you're going to question whether that will come out through here. And as a matter of fact, it does. So that's a little bit of information for you. All right, we're going to see what this thing sounds like. The exhaust is not hooked up from well, right after the manifold, so. Gnarly. Let's hook up the rest. The downpipe is in there. When we took the old stuff out, we did take the axle loose at the transmission, dropped it down, and we were able to get everything out like I said. So that's what it looks like all installed. There's a bolt that goes in the top and a couple sensors that get plugged back in up there. So we're gonna start building the exhaust from there to the back and see what comes next. All right, fellow TDIers, if you got one of these, this is what it's gonna look like all installed. Stops here to the factory coupler, going to the muffler. So it retains the factory muffler in the back, and then you got this all the way to the front. We're gonna let this thing down and see what it sounds like. All right guys, that wraps up the exhaust install on the 14 TDI. Not real eventful, of course. I didn't put a lot of how-to in this because that doesn't matter, but it gives you a feel for what it's gonna look like, how it fits and everything, how it sounds, and if you're gonna do something like this, you have a little guidance for it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned on the next videos. As always guys, thanks for watching.